So as I said, I mean, this is a two training classes we completed where we focused more. Quick recap: we learned, I mean, what is DBT tool, fun kind of features and all. What are the different DBT products and what are the key differences between traditional ETL tool and DBT? And we also talked through DBT architecture and why it is kind of power of DBT, like key features in DBT we discussed. Then day 2, we also kind of discussed on mainly configurations files like DBT project YAML file and packages YAML, and how to configure sources and materializations, and different models also we discussed: staging model, incremental models, and mark models. And also we also learned on seeds. Then we also discussed the key concept on snapshots, tests, and documentations. So these are the things we done last 2 sessions. From now on, there will be a 4 lab sessions. So first, today we will be starting this hands-on lab session 1, where we today we will just complete all DBT setups and data warehousing setups. I will explain, I will give you the guide. So you are expected to complete that lab. That's what I blocked for. Day 1, what we are going to do, we'll set up Snowflake environment. Then we will launch DBT Cloud through Snowflake environment, and we'll understand how that is got integrated, Snowflake and DBT integration. If we follow one data warehousing, it would be almost similar, means whatever that DBT we are going to do, that creating models and all, it is almost same. So there is not really a much difference if it is a databricks or if it is something else, maybe Redshift, AWS, or any other, right? So it's almost same. So nothing to worry. So just let's focus today, I mean, in this project, Snowflake and DBT. Then today we will initialize DBT project and we'll stop there. Then tomorrow I will explain one use case and one data set, what we are going to do, running models and all. Okay, so right, so I will give you the link. So set up Snowflake environment, where you will be able to see like this, like any other, like how we are already using in our project, right? Snowflake. So I will give you the setup. You will be should be able to set up Snowflake environment as per this one. You should be able to see this screen. Probably let me just quickly just include. Are you able to view, right? No?
Yes, Venkat.
Yeah. Okay, so set up Snowflake environment, Hari. Just help others as well. So you should be able to see this screen. Then we need to launch DBT Cloud via Partner Connect. So all detailed steps are there. So what we need to do, you need to go to Snowflake EA. Like this one, you should click on admin. Then you should be able to see Partner Connect. Okay, this is how you should be able to see that. So as on these steps, you should be able to click on Partner Connect. Then you should able to see the screen. Okay, so I will be sending this document. Then choose DBT search here, or you should be able to see this one. Then you select that one. Then you get this kind of state. You should now see pop-up that says connect to DBT, that contains all associated objects created by Partner Connect. Okay, so you should be able to see this screen, connect to DBT, where you need to give this document. So please don't give any other things, because it will create confusion. You just follow the document, whatever it is there for now, right? Once you get a full comfort, you can just play around, right? But for now, just use whatever I've given. So what we are going to do through Snowflake environment, we are just giving to connect DBT. This is the DBT and this is the warehouse for Snowflake. But we are giving that connection details in Snowflake itself because we are just connecting through Partner Connect. So this is the user ID we are going to create in Snowflake. So let's give system user. So just give the same details, database all in capitals and all. Then system password just ignore. I mean, you will be able to see these things. Don't change anything. Then system role, you should be able to see this one, PC DBT role and all. Then click on connect. Then you will be able to see your DBT will be activated. This is the message you will see pop up that your partner account has been created. Click on activate. So this is the screen you will be seeing your partner account has been created. It takes just 1-2 minutes max time. Okay, so don't worry, just wait on that screen and click on this screen once your it is kind of enabled, activate. Then then you will be redirected to DBT screen like this. I mean, here I have created a lot of things, but you will be able to see the screen exactly in this screenshot because this is for you. I created this one to not to confuse. So this is how exactly you are seeing the screen. Then you click on, you will get one screen like this, initialize DBT project. What we are going to do, because for anything, right, for any customer, we are going to create one DBT project. Under that DBT project, we'll do all these models and all. So because first time we need to initialize DBT project. So click on this screen, upper left corner of the screen. I've written very detailed steps. At least it will be useful for you. That's what I've taken some efforts to create all these steps while I do this process. So the initialization process creates a DBT project in the file tree, means it's creating DBT project with all core DBT files and folders. So it will create lot things for you. It will create all folders required for you to work on DBT project. Okay, so this is how once that is successful, means only just click on this one, you should see new folder structure in left hand sidebar. So once that is successful, you will be able to see this folder structure where analysis, macros, model, seeds, snapshot, test. So these are the kind of um, folder structure will be created where we are maximum working on models, where probably we'll just on labs we may not touch, but I explained theory. It is just a simple concept. Then snapshot, probably I think I have planned one, and test definitely will do something. So this is how folder structure we are going to see. Then we need to click on commit and push in the upper left hand corner to commit the new files and folders from the initial step. Because first time we're doing, because as I said, this is a kind of a integrated with all Git, right? So uh, because this is a version control, it is a kind of out of box feature coming from DBT itself. So it's integrated with Git. So you need to just click on commit and push. Um, Click on this thing, then you will get commit changes. This kind of screen you will be able to get where you can just give some comments, initialize project. So every time if you are doing changes, you can just merge with the main branch. Okay, so that's the purpose of this one. So just click on initialize project, then commit changes. So it is only just first time you do. Then okay, so then your DBT screen will be ready like this. Okay, please don't do any other things, because if you mess up kind of, right, because it will be a kind of a creative problem for next lab session. So whatever it is there in document, only just do those steps and just leave it there. Okay, so try to understand what is this and all, just visualize what we discussed, so just understand that. But beyond that, don't create any models and all, because you will get confused once that kind of environment messed up, right? It's for us too difficult to, again we need to spend a lot of time to debug and all. So for lab 1 session, don't do anything, just see that DBT, try to understand, I mean, what is there in these models and macros. You can just check everything, probably what is there in deploy, just right, but don't create anything. That's what I only point I'm saying. Am I clear?
Yes, Venkat.
Yes, Rajagar.
Okay, so once that is done, your DBT is ready now for creating models and all. Then go to Snowflake, execute these commands, just use role account admin, go to uh, uh, use role account admin and all. Harish should be able to help on these things. I mean, if others not comfortable in Snowflake, because Hari is a definitely, he has a lot experience on Snowflake. Hari, I think you know all these things, right? Probably if they need help, just help them.
Okay, okay.
Simply they need to execute, but just try to explain what is actually what they're doing, right? Use role account
Hmm.
admin and all. Then
Right.
we are going to create Snowflake warehouse just for this lab purpose. Create warehouse. Use the same statements. Please don't change anything because you will get confused, because we need to understand first flow, then you can play around, right? After 4 labs, you can do anything. Right? For now, just follow the process, follow the just these steps. Okay. So just create your warehouse with this name, and warehouse size is large. Because why I'm just saying use the same names, because whatever that tomorrow onwards I'm creating models, I will give you scripts and all code, right? I use these things only, right? Because if you change, if you just create warehouse on your kind of other names and all, my code may not work, then again you need to do changes and all. So it's kind of a, it will take for you to, so first always follow the steps and try to understand that, right? Then just grant permissions, grant your permissions on warehouse. This kind of a to role PCD DBT role, what we are going to do. I've written everything detailed. Then you just retrieve the sample data. What is that sample data we are going to work? You just take Snowflake sample data, this one, and TPCH and SFN orders. Orders is the table where this is a schema. Okay, so you just retrieve this data, just for just easy sake, just limit 100. You can use directly these commands. Okay, and you should be able to see this Snowflake output means O underscore order key, O underscore cust key. Order status means this is the data, raw data, without any transformations. We have this data, right? This is a very raw table. It is already there in Snowflake. It is got ingested from somewhere, right? It is there now. We are going to do transformations by using DBT, and also we are going to run tests and everything, or documentation on this data set by using DBT. Okay, that is what we are going to do. So this is how you get Snowflake screen. This is how your DBT screen. So you complete these complete setups today, and also just get the output for Snowflake and DBT.